Good morning, everyone. Wow, it's been a long time. It's been a full year since I've uploaded a YouTube video. It almost feels like unknown to be on camera again, but here I am. I am going to be giving you a tour today of a historical property on St. Thomas. It is called Hotel 1829, and yes, the building has been here since 1829. This is a historical property, and what started off as a 15-bedroom mansion has pretty much become a hotel and restaurant. This hotel had actually been closed since 2017, you all, since Hurricane Irma and Maria hit, and the current owners were able to purchase this property, open it back up by 2025. And they right now have 7 of the 15 rooms operational. So just understand that there's more in store for this property. I want you all to hear what it really sounds like while you're on island here in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. I want you to hear the noises. I want you to see the reality. That way you know what to expect when you get here. Let's go ahead and get into this tour. Okay, so if for some reason you have to walk to the hotel, straight down the stairs here is the waterfront. So you'll pretty much be able to walk straight up to the entrance. It's the giant pink mansion on the hill. You cannot miss it. I think it even has the Hotel 1829 painted at the very top as well. So you can't miss it. You're on the government hill is what this is called. Pretty much because the government house is located a few steps away. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So I'll start over here, letting you all know that if you are into the historic hotels of America, you'll actually find Hotel 1829 listed as one of those hotels. This is the patio area, or also the dining space, because they do serve brunch, dinner. They plan on starting lunch and breakfast, so hopefully by the time you watch this, they've already started that service. But I like to show this because look at the view. You can see the harbor from right up here on the hill. And I mean, it's beautiful. You can also see the cruise ships sometimes too. So we're gonna go ahead and start in the reception area. I think that'll be a good start. All right, so this is the reception area. This is pretty much where you're going to come to when you first check in. I want you all to pay attention. Original floor tiles, original brickwork. Check out the Tiffany stained glass window. And what I love about this place is there are employees here who will give you a tour, share the history of the place with you. They're very friendly, very knowledgeable. You might even see a familiar face when you come in. But this is the reception area. Look at all the artifacts and memorabilia, the photos. So you're literally stepping into history the moment you walk into the hotel. So I absolutely love that. This is the courtyard area. It's super quiet, but this pretty much leads to the rest of the rooms. So I love the greenery here. There used to be a waterfall in the courtyard, so you'll find some info about that too. I think it was the world's largest amber waterfall. So this is the restaurant and bar area. And again, this is the original brickwork. Check out the ceiling. Look at that wood. Look at the old oven. Pots and pans and sugar spoons. Right now, the dinner service is Thursday through Saturday, 5 to 9. But again, I'm hoping that by the time you all watch this video, that has changed. Look at Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali came to the hotel and played backgammon with one of the previous owners of the hotel. So I know everyone is excited to see a room, but I think it's cool to just go ahead and How about we start outside and work our way inside? Look at that view. Just the best. Okay, so the hotel also has a garden area. And I'm not saying just a little garden. I'm saying a multi-tiered garden area. There's also a cafe right here on the property. I think it's gonna be really nice because then you can just come down from your room, get a pastry or whatever, a sandwich. I mean, check it out. So right here next to the hotel are the 99 steps. I'm sure somebody will tell you all to check those out when you're visiting the island. Also, pay attention to the fact that there are stairs. You even have to take stairs when you first enter the property. Check out this garden area. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? And it just keeps going. Looks like they're watering the plants in the garden. Check it out. So you can see this area. You can come up here, have a nice drink, relax. There's another part. I mean, you would think it just keeps going and going, but no. This is the top. There's another stone, oven here. Check that out. I mean, look at the view. You can literally see everything. All right. So I'm gonna show you a room option if you're someone that wants a double bed. And this is for you. So this is the double bed room. You can see the brickwork, the high ceilings, you have AC. There's no TV in any of the rooms, but check this out. Isn't this beautiful? And then this in here is the bathroom. I mean, look at that. Look at the brickwork. I love it. Oh, let me not just show you a phone. But check out the brickwork. Check out the towels, the shower. So you pretty much have everything you need. All right, I'll show you one last time, people. I do want you all to know that there is a pool. There's a pool on the property as well that you're able to enjoy at any hour, which I think is great. Look at this pool. I could jump in right now. But look how peaceful it is. So this is where more rooms are gonna come into play, laundry room, tools, all sorts of things. So you can see, as of today right now, they're still working on getting the rest of the rooms up and operating. But when you take on a big project like this, you gotta go at it piece by piece. So you can see we're looking down at the courtyard again. Look at the tiles. This wall has a bunch of different Virgin Islands history facts, different events that occurred in history. So if you were to stay in that queen room, you could have access to the shared balcony. There's one room that has its own private balcony, but the rest are gonna be shared. But look at the view. All right. The next room is room 2. This is their king suite. King size bed, high ceilings. Look at the brickwork. You also have a really nice view of town. Check that out. Oh yeah. Love it. You're getting luxury. This is the private balcony. Again, you gotta go up the stairs to get to the private balcony. We're gonna open this up. Push the shutters open. This is your private balcony. So it's almost like a side view, but still really pretty. So you gotta come back down the stairs to get into your room. This is your bathroom here, and look how beautiful this is. Spacious. You got your towels, your robes. Lighting in here because it's like an LED. So that's really cool. And again, it does have AC, but there's a nice breeze in here. You can see the mini fridge, you get robes. All right, you all. I feel like I have showed you the entire hotel. Luckily, I had the best access that you could possibly get. Yeah, if you like this video, if you have any questions, comments, leave it all down below. I'll do my best to answer them the best way I can. But yeah, if you're looking to stay in St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands, and you're looking for something that is walking distance to everything, centrally located in the town, quiet, peaceful, Hotel 1829 is the place for you. I highly recommend that you book. I'll make sure to leave all that information down below. How to book a room, how to book a stay. And I hope to see you guys at the hotel later.